This video will provide a brief overview of Leviton's Decora Smart Dimmer and Switch companion devices. There are three models available: the DD00R-DLZ, which is the Decora Smart Dimmer companion, the DD0SR-DLZ, which is the Decora Smart Switch companion with locator LED, and the DD0SR-1Z, which is the Decora Smart Switch companion. Companion devices are used to control the same light or fan from multiple locations. The primary switch or dimmer is in the main location and companion devices in the other locations. The DD00R-DLZ and the DD0SR-DLZ may be used for a three-way installation or in up to 4 additional locations. A neutral wire is required for installation of these products, and they are rated for 120 and 277 volt applications. The DD00R-DLZ and DD0SR-DLZ feature a locator light that illuminates when the load is off, making it easy to locate in the dark. The DD0SR-1Z Decora Smart Switch companion may be used for a three-way installation or in up to 9 additional locations. This device has alternative wiring options if a neutral wire is not present in the wall box and is rated for 120 volts only. The DD0SR-1Z coordinates with the primary switch but does not have a locator LED.